Hello, this is Elizabeth, Dora, and Danny for Group 3, and this is our Science Demo Expo. We have second grade, and our performance expectation is 2ESS2-1. Compare multiple solutions designed to slow or prevent wind or water from changing the shape of the land. And the clarification statement is examples of solutions can include different designs of dikes and windbreaks to hold back wind and water, and different designs for using shrubs, grass, and trees to hold back the land.
So in the engage portion of the lesson, we will be showing students these three different pictures. On the left-hand side, we see erosion that has been caused, through rain or water flow. That would be somewhere out in a field. On the second picture, the middle picture, we see this is a 10 freeway going up to the 57 towards the 210, and it shows erosion that happens here locally. So it's pretty awesome because students might be able to recognize this, or maybe they'll ask their parents about it. And then on the third image, we have the image of the Grand Canyon, which displays erosion that's happened through the through time. And then we would pose a driving question: how can we prevent land from changing due to water and wind? Then we would go on to these videos, and these videos, the first one here shows natural landslide happening in a country away from us. And then the second one shows erosion of land through wind. This is in the desert somewhere, but it shows the ripples of the sand, how they're being made, and how the land is changing, as we view it.
For the activity, materials that would be needed are 2-liter bottles, yarn, 16-ounce bottles, scissors, soil, wood chips or dead leaves, rooted grass, and water.
As we begin the activity, students will be separated into groups of 4, and each group will have a station where they will see their 3-liter bottles, and test 1 will have just soil alone. Test 2 will have soil covered with dead leaves, and test 3 will be soil with planted grass. And in their activity, all they are going to do is pour water into these liter bottles and see what happens, whether the soil stays planted or the soil covered with dead leaves stays in place, or as you can see at the end of the bottle, the opening, whether it comes out and falls into the little water bottles cut up at the end with a string. And the same goes for the soil alone. However, before they begin the activity, they will draw the model in their composition notebook, and they will make a prediction about each of the tests. So they'll decide for themselves whether they think either the soil alone will stay in place, or if it'll slide out into that cup hanging from the string. And same goes for the rest of the tests. After they complete the activity, they will go back to their composition notebook and either agree with their predictions or disagree and write what actually happened. And that is pretty much it for our science demo expo. Thank you.